Students write a number sentence for given picture in this activity. Let's take card number 49. There are 4 baskets and each basket has 7 eggs. 4 baskets times 7 eggs is the total number of eggs, which is 28 eggs. The picture shows 4 baskets with 7 eggs in each basket. Each basket. Total number of eggs is 28. Let's pick another card. Card number 55. It's one set, one plate, 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cupcakes. 14 cupcakes. The picture shows one plate with 14 cupcakes. Total number of cupcakes is 14. One last one. Card number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 trees times 3, 7, 9 apples. 9 is 36. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 36 apples. The picture shows 4 trees with 9 apples on each tree. Total number of apples is 36. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Answers provide immediate feedback, and there has to be teacher exemplar somewhere. Teacher exemplar sets expectations.